Is DoorDash not appearing on your CarPlay screen? This issue often stems from simple oversights in settings or compatibility. First, ensure CarPlay is enabled on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay, and select your vehicle. Make sure DoorDash is toggled on. Compatibility is key. You need iOS 12 or newer for basic support, but iOS 18 ensures optimal performance. Keep both your iPhone and DoorDash app updated to the latest versions. A minor issue in early 2025 affected some iPhone 15 and 16 users. Due to stricter app validation in iOS 18, DoorDash released a patch update version 5.2.1 in February 2025, restoring visibility for 98% of affected users. If DoorDash is enabled but still missing, arrange your CarPlay apps. From your iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, your vehicle. You can rearrange app icons, bringing DoorDash to the main screen. Try basic troubleshooting. Restart your iPhone and vehicle infotainment system. Resetting your iPhone's network settings can also help. As a last resort, reinstall the DoorDash app. If the problem persists, check for firmware updates for your car's system. If you use Siri often, try enabling Siri suggestions, as this resolved the issue for an iPhone 16 Pro user. Remember, these steps usually resolve the problem, so go through them carefully.